From January 1st up until now, I've had just one trade. Like, I've only traded just once. Welcome to my channel. My name is the Mindfulness Trader. I document my journey right here. So I'm currently trading the evaluation phase of the account. So my wins and losses, everything we document here. Please note, I'm not an expert when it comes to trading the forex market. I'm still at my beginning stage, so we are all learning. So this week is almost like last week. So let me just drop the video of how everything was. So please stay tuned if you're interested with things like this. Just stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Today being Thursday, I'm currently waiting for price to move up to this level right here before I enter. But since the price is moving, it's currently moving away from the level. Let me put my trade again and show you how the trade is like over there. I still have few minutes. I still have 30 minutes left before I close for the session. So let me just keep my fingers crossed. I just hope this time it's not like the last time. Okay, so here it is. This is how the trade is going to look like. Price is almost at my supposed target. It's more than halfway there, so I'm looking for price to come back to this level before I enter. So let's get back to this. So I'm just gonna pause the video right here, and I think I'll come back if it hits my target. I'm gonna wait till the next day, but if it hits my entry, then I will resume the recording. Let me just pause the video. So that trade just matched my TP, but sadly I was not on the trade. Would have closed right here. So but currently the time is up. This is like the second time of I think the second to third time of this thing happening in this challenge. But I'll go again next week. Oh, no, tomorrow is Friday. I'm still gonna look for a trade tomorrow. So there you have it.
So guys, that was it for the week. Really tough week for me. Like, I don't know, this is like the second time of this thing happening. The first one happened I think on the 7th of this month, and this one is just happening again. So currently now I've still had just that one break-even trade, which cost me about $7 plus commission, because I was trying to like do. I made a mistake in my entry. I was trying to just modify everything, so it cost me about $7, which is about 0.33% of the account. So I still do not consider that as a trade. So that's why I keep saying I've not had any trade from January up until now. Now what I've learned is that I think the broker I'm using to trade, the fibers, and the where I normally do my analysis from, which is from the trading view, I think there's a slight difference between the two charts. You're getting me? Like, if you notice from that from the trade I was supposed to take on Thursday, now if I relied solely on the MT5, which is the fibers broker, I would have been on that trade. You're getting me? But because I decided to okay, let me use that of just the trading view so that I don't get to confuse myself. That was the only reason why I missed that trade. So that's the lesson which I've learned for the week. Then when it comes to psychological issue. Now I know how I trade, and I know me not taking trade for like a month is something normal. It's not something out of it. It's not as if I'm deliberately missing or I'm doing something wrong. No. For my backtested data, there have been times when for a whole month I did not get to take a trade, especially when okay, because I trade three pairs. So when like two is not in favor of my bias, I do not trade those two. So definitely one can decide not to give me a trade for even a month. Is on my data. I can see it right there. For even a month. It's normal. It's nothing out of the ordinary. But I think where the issue is coming from now is the time. When you are back testing, if you are looking for trade, you can easily just flip to the next week, or just how quickly the candle can move when you are back testing. So, but when it comes to the live account, you can't fast forward the candle. You just have to wait, and that waiting period is really tough for me. I know it's really tough for me, because if I know before now, I would have like begin to force trade. You get me? So I'm just glad that at the end of the day, I'm still patient. I'm patiently waiting to start getting trade. 'Cause I know when my trade pair are in line with my bias, in a week I can take up to 7 trades. It's normal. But if in a week too, I can still take up to 1 2. It's still normal for me. So solution to this psychological problem. Now, what I'm doing to handle the psychological problem in Grand is, I've resumed my back testing. You get me? And that also will also help me to keep my mind sharp, so that when my setup come, I won't feel a bit rusty, or trying to set or try to be confident enough to enter the trade. You get me? So I've resumed my back testing. I've been back testing trade from the same pair from last year and even last 2 years. So by doing so, I'm also building my confidence in waiting for my setup. Then going forward, when it comes to the aspect of having a little bit of difference between the two brokers, which is that of the trading view. On the trading view is the Orlando chart I'm using. Then from my NT5, which is where I execute my trade, is the broker that was provided by the fibers. I think solely when it comes to the higher time frame analysis, I'm going to base all that on the trading view. I don't know if you get me. I'm going to base on that on the trading view. But when it comes to executing my trade, that's when I'll focus more on the NT5 platform. So that means on the lower time frame, I'll be taking my execution on the NT5 platform. So if I'm to wait for a break of an order block, I'm simply going to wait and see if it's going to break it on the NT5 platform, which is the fibers, then before I take a trade. And if there's a bit of difference between the candle, that's when I will rely on the lower time frame on the trade view. And if you're getting it. So, but I know with time it might also be a bit confusing, but I know with time I will get used to it. So going forward, that's what I plan. So I think on Friday, on the close of Friday session, I was able to go through the chart, and I saw that okay, um my pair, my GBP USD, my USD card and gold, everything is just in like where I want it to be now. So I think going forward, starting from this week and up until February, I will start seeing more trading setup. But you never can tell how it is. So, but I'll just keep my finger crossed. So if you made it this far up until now in this video, I want to say a big thank you to you. Please, this is a new channel. I'm still new to creating content like this and everything. So please do well to encourage me by leaving a like, just a like, a comment, and subscribe if you are interested in more videos like this. So please stay tuned until I come your way again next week at the same time. Stay blessed.